Yo, what's up, guys? We're on live now. Appreciate you all for tuning back in. So now let's get straight to it. As of right now, one second here, one second. Yo, what is up, everyone? Appreciate you all for tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So one second here, let's tell the team members that we are on live now. TikTok live now at everyone. All right, so what a day so far today. Was a very, very good day so far. Did have a couple plays, ended up working out. That ended up being great. Obviously, yes, I did get stopped out on SMCI this morning, but that was pretty much fine. We had Google, we had Pepsi, IWN had our final target too as well. So yeah, ended up working out great. As of right now, what I am looking forward to, I'm looking for some more trades that I am seeing. Dude, yeah, Pepsi looks like it's about to touch final TP. So the only one that, I got stopped out on was, SMCI. Also Tesla. Tesla did really, really good for us. It hit my first target, but it was more of a break-even trade since it did end up going back up. Join VIP for 5 players. Yo, thank you so much, Danny. Really appreciate it. Shout out to Danny for pulling up once again. So for this, what we had here, what I saw here, this was a trade that worked out really amazing. So yes, what do we have? We had a clear move down of no consolidation that I wanted to take to the upside. Obviously, still doesn't look bad. End of day. So hopefully if we get a smaller pullback, we'll let them take this in the end of the day as well. Yo, shout out to Danny. Really appreciate it. Gonna pin that comment. So yeah, as of right now, what I see here, this is a trade that we caught during the day. Obviously, I was waiting for the end of the day, but I seen it holding. I told the team members, okay, guys, if it ends up holding, I will take it to the upside. We ended up holding above, targeting to the upside. So yeah, that was a great trade. Obviously, going to wait to the end of the day. So hopefully, honestly, we pull back and then we get the entry that we want. That'd be great. Yeah, we're going to leave Pepsi up for sure. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. So as of right now, let's see. One second here. Pepsi, Google, let's see, also, let's go to SPY, Qs as well, QQQ, SPY, hold on. Yeah, we have Pepsi up, that looks really good. Hopefully we can end up breaking below that wall. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you all. Bro got me 100% this morning, 300%. Dude, yes, sir. Shout out to Danny. Really appreciate it pulling up once again. So, yeah. We can go over all the trades that I am looking forward to. Obviously, what I see here. So, it looks like there was another box here. Another wall. So, my original wall was here. So, my trading view was actually glitching. So, I'm glad I didn't even take this trade. So, we ended up breaking above the wall. But we ended up trotting back down to the downside. What I see here now, though. So, there is another box there that I clearly see. But what I want to wait for that I'm seeing here, Tesla the 350. Yeah, we'll look at that too as well. Good to see you once again. Yo, Danny, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. All right, so as of right now, what do I see here? And yes, we have nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. And underneath this bottom wall that I'm seeing that looks really good, you can see that there is 2 body candles closing directly at the same line. And I'm waiting for a break underneath this level, underneath this wall, into the downside. So yes, we have this clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the downside. Obviously, right now, I'm glad. So yeah, we had a 30-minute box that ended up. So you can see, this is my original wall. My trading view was glitching, so I didn't even get a chance to enter, and I didn't even want to chase. So we are back into this box now. So if we end up breaking back above this wall there's still resistance up to here, so that looks really good. But right now, for the Qs, the bigger move that I am waiting for that looks really good, as you can see, we do have top wall, bottom wall. So this bottom wall that I'm seeing here, this is another area of consolidation. So we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. Hold on, let's go ahead and pull this out a little more so you guys and gals can see what I'm looking at. So yes, we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. So right now, looks like we are still both ways in consolidation. There's just nothing that I would want to do except for just to wait. But yeah, still doesn't look bad. Not bad at all. As you can see, one second here. Let's keep going. Looks really decent. So that was on the 1 hour for the cues. We do have from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is going to be our empty space. So this is going to be exactly what we want. So it doesn't look bad at all. So D-Dog and Tesla, yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you all. All right, yeah, let's write all this down. Tesla, D-Dog, cool, cool, cool. Perfect, perfect. Man, Google came in clutch. Let's see. Pepsi is coming in clutch as well. So yeah, we caught a couple good trades inside the Discord today. It was great. It was amazing. Obviously, I had to get stopped out on what SMCI. But other than that, it worked out great. Worked out pretty good. Let's see, Google. Yeah, hopefully end of day that still looks amazing. I still will try that as well. Yeah, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Thank you all so much for the follows. All right, for SPY, let's go over this as well. I know you guys and gals want to see SPY. We'll pull up Tesla too. So let's pull Tesla up. Let's see what the damage is here. All right, so looks like. Hold on one second here. So yeah, we did end up. So this was a play, and this worked out perfectly. It was amazing. Obviously, you can see inside the Discord. This was a call out here. One second here. One second. So this was on Tesla. You can see we called this out yesterday. The before we actually hit my first take profit, but I will be honest. This was more of like a break-even trade, just because. So yes, this morning. We were down to my first TP, but then we ended up pushing up above. So yes, this imbalance is where price can end up reversing. Obviously, we reversed up, so it was more of a free trade for me. But yeah, first take profit did end up hitting. That's like exactly got out at open. But right now, personally, it looks like if we end up, so as of right now, this cost basis area, if we end up rejecting underneath this wall, punching back out, I can see the full move happening. But right now, there's just nothing that I would want to do except for just to wait. Doesn't look bad, though. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. So now, let's keep on going here. Ooh, yeah, Tesla. That punchback might be fire. I might have to keep an eye on that as well. Let's see. QQQ as well. Let's see, SPY. Let's do this as well. Yo, thanks for the follows. Thanks for all the likes. Really appreciate it. So right now, and yes, if you want to see what we did in the Discord and what we did this week so far in the Discord, you can look inside the games page. You can look at the testimonials. You can look at pretty much everything. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, be a part of the team, links in the bio. All right, so let's see. Let's get straight to it. But yeah, let's see. Hold on one second here. So hold on, let's take a look here. I want to look at SMCI too. So this was a play that I got stopped on earlier. I am looking for a re-entry on this one too, though. So we did end up breaking below this wall, letting us into the empty space. But as you can see, we went back into this wall, so I had to get out. I'm going to find a re-entry. If we can end up breaking back below the wall and flushing under, yeah, that still looks really good. So I'm just going to find a re-entry on that. Doesn't look bad though. So that was more of a small L for that. But yeah, we had Google, we had Pepsi, we had IWM. We had a lot of great trades that we did end up taking. So was very, very good. So now let's keep on going here. Let's see. Yo, what's up? Yo, Jacob, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. And Hims, yeah, we'll go over that as well. Hims, let's take a look at that. All right, for SPY, we do have, so top wall there, also bottom wall here. And above the top wall, you can see 2 points of contact closing directly at the same line. So yes, if we end up breaking over this wall here, I'm looking for the next resistance. And personally, I don't see any until here. Obviously, this could be a trim there, but it doesn't look bad. Yes, we do have from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is going to be where we want to trim contracts. So yes, inside of my Discord, we do not change anything. We have the same exact plays each and every day. Either the charts work or they don't. So as of right now, yes, buyers control this bottom, so their job is to keep price pressing up. Seller's job, so sellers are at the top of the box, their job is to keep price pushing down. So I need buyers to actually step in and having a body candle closing above this wall here. And anyone, so if anything breaks above, candle body closing above, I'm looking for the next resistance, which is up to here, which looks really good. So as of right now, it doesn't look bad at all. Doesn't look bad, doesn't look bad. So 1 second here. SPY, that looks really good. So yeah, we're just gonna have to wait on that. Doesn't look bad though. Yo, thanks for the follows. Thank you pretty much for all the follows. All right, so now we did Tesla as well. Tesla, D-Dog, you guys want to see that as well? Let's take a look there. So yeah, I pretty much will go over all the setups, HIMS as well. Let's go over that. So volatile that it is useless trading. Why? Why is that? What strategy are you using? Personally, I use the Potter box with the empty space, and either the play works or it doesn't. Obviously, yes, I get it. We wait for end of day swing. So end of day is when we mainly get into our swing trades. You can see what we called on IWM. So this was the biggest trade in the Discord so far this week. You can see it actually hit my final TP. But yes, you can see where we called this out before the aftermath. You can see like all the charts here. We look for the same setup each day. So it doesn't matter if, if I look at a trade, if I'm on a 30-minute, if I'm on a 1 hour, if I want to swing it, if I want to day trade it, I'm going to look for the same setup each day. And as you can see, this move right here, clean move up, no consolidation. We had a bottom wall that needed to be broken. We end up breaking below. We go down and tap. So you can see before the aftermath. And yes, all the plays are going to look alike. You can look into my Discord. You can see what we do here. Obviously, if you don't want to look, you don't have to. But yes, all charts is mainly going to look the same as well. So yeah, about that, yeah, definitely. If he ends up tweeting something, I'm personally waiting for that that signal. Then I'll definitely get into something. But yeah, if he definitely tweets something, it'll definitely move the markets for sure. It's honestly crazy how much power that they have. It's wild. But yeah, honestly, the last time I think he tweeted something about a buy or something, and it went wild. It went up like what, $50? I think this was like last month. Yo, Pato, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. NBIS. So yeah, let's take a look there as well. NBIS. Let's take a look. And hold on 1 second here. All right, HIMS. Let's take a look. And let's go down to a lower time frame so we can try to break this one down. So this is on a 1 hour. Good to see you, my guy. But yeah, we'll go over NBIS as well. Ooh, hold on. Okay, I do see this. So on a 30-minute chart, this doesn't look bad. Boom, what is this here? We do have... Yeah, HIMS is a really crazy move. So I will be honest, it does respect the box a lot. But yeah, definitely don't see a trade here yet, but I do see one upcoming. So yes, we have a top wall here. We also have this bottom wall there. So this top wall that I'm seeing, this is a wall that basically needs to be broken in order for us to target to this upside. Obviously, what are we doing? We are in consolidation. So there's just nothing that I would want to take a trade here. So if we end up breaking above this wall, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this green candle here. And yes, what is this? Another top, another bottom wall there. And looks really, really good. Obviously, if we are stuck in consolidation, I do not want to take a trade because it looks like we're just going to keep consolidating. But once we break outside of it, this is exactly when I want the upside. First TP would still be from the entry to the exit, the literal middle of the move. So yeah, it looks really decent. Hold on 1 second. I do want to look at the daily. But yeah, It definitely moves pretty crazy, man. I can definitely tell you that for sure. There's also empty space below us too that looks really good. So yeah, that doesn't look bad at all. So that's for Hims. I do like that lower time frame for a smaller move, possible day trading move. That does look bad. I think that was on a 30-minute we did. Yeah, 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute looked really good. So yeah, as of right now, I'm definitely just going to wait. Doesn't look bad at all, though. NBIS, got you, Pato. What's up, man? All right, so now let's keep going. Shout out to Robert for pulling up to the live stream as well. Let's go to a 24-hour and break it down. Okay. So it looks like... Hold on. Let me see. Oh, wow. So, yeah, we did. Okay, so we did end up breaking... So we did end up breaking and closing above this top wall here. Touching into the imbalance. So we did touch the imbalance. That was the great part about it. As you can see, the imbalance is where price ended up reversing. As you can see here, there is some empty space down to this downside. So I see a clear move up of no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, what do I see here? So let's go to a lower time frame, possible 4-hour. No, I will be honest. Yes, there's empty space below us, but I like this 24-hour. Maybe in the next few days, I would love for a top wall and a bottom wall to form in order for us to target to the downside. So as of right now, definitely just going to wait for that. Doesn't look bad though. Not bad at all. So that was on NBIS. I do like that 24-hour. So maybe in the next few days, get some structure, have a top wall, bottom wall. So yeah, it looks really decent. So same thing with like all the trades that, you know, we call out inside the Discord. I still have to post the ones from today. So as you can see, so IWM, big gap up, no consolidation. We want to take that to the downside. Boom. So same thing. It doesn't matter which time frame, which chart we have. It's going to be, you know, pretty much exactly the same. So the QQQ, clear move up, no consolidation. We end up breaking below the wall. We go down touch. Yeah, man. Hopefully Pepsi can do something here soon. That would be great. So yeah, Pepsi was another trade that we ended up calling out. I think Rug actually called this one out for us. But yeah, it lined up perfectly. We had the empty space to look good. We ended up trying to the downside, break to the downside. So yeah, that ended up working out great. All right, so yes, guys, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat, the VIP chat as well. But yes, please make sure to do your own research as well before joining into the Discord, before doing anything. So now let's go to Apple. Let's go to Apple. We do have some more trades that I am looking forward to here. So I do see some end of day that look really good. I want to see what Disney's talking about too. So Disney looks like, yeah, we're still back in that box. Nothing that I would want to do there. Let's keep going. NU. Oh, NU looks decent too. Hold on one second here. Target. I think we had something on Nike. One second. Nike. Yo, what's up, everyone? And yes, please remember, please do your own research, not financial advice. Yes, you all have to do your own research, of course. So now let's keep on going here. Let's keep going. So hold on one second. Why is my mouse not working? All right. So yeah, Nike, this is what I have here. This is exactly what I'm looking for. This is what I'm wanting here. As you can see, I've been waiting on this trade for quite a while, a very long time here. And as of right now, what I'm waiting for personally, so did not mean to do that. Let's go ahead and break this one down anyways. I have my alert set, as you can see. But yeah, as of right now, I do see this. We have this clear move down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the upside. And all that I would need is a top wall and a bottom wall. So top, bottom wall, as you can see, these are points of contact. And this top wall is going to be very, very important because this is what we would need to the upside. So if we end up breaking above this top wall here, I don't see any resistance until this green candle here. And yes, so in the middle, we do have the empty space that looks really good. So from the top to the bottom, inside the middle, we have the empty space. So looks really, really decent. I am going to wait for this, but as of right now, just going to wait because we are still stuck in this consolidation area. So yes, from the top to the bottom, inside the middle, we have empty space that looks good. So yeah, I definitely will keep an eye on that. We definitely will wait on that as well. So now let's keep going. Let's see. Hold on. Let me set my alert to the right. All right, cool, cool, cool. So now, 1 second here. So that was on Nike. Let's go to. I want to see what IWM is doing again. So IWM actually hit our final take profit today. As you can see, we did have the empty space. So this was a great call out. This is from yesterday. So you can see where we at. IWM. And this was the biggest trade in the Discord this week so far. If you want to see what we did on IWM, you can. This is the before and also the after. So yes, before, after. Obviously, I do want to see a new entry here. So let's just go ahead and break all this down. Probably go down to a lower time frame and break this down. I do see something. Hold on. Let me see. Let me go down to a 30-minute. So yes, each trade is going to look exactly like. I don't change anything at all. Ooh, this looks really, really good. All right, so same thing here. This looks really decent. So right now, what do I see here? Same exact thing that I've been looking at this whole entire time. Why is SPY dumping? Yeah, we'll go over SPY again. Yeah, no worries. Probably find a lower time frame entry too. All right, so right now, what do I see here? Same exact thing here, guys and gals. We have, so yes, we do have the empty space. That looks good. So yes, we have this clear move down of no consolidation that we would love to take to the upside. As you can see, what do we have here? A nice top, nice bottom. So there is a nice top wall. There is a nice bottom wall here. And personally, I'm done with this trade. I'm not into any of these plays. This was a play from yesterday. The final target hit this morning. So boom, as you can see. Yo, Kenneth, that's all you. Really appreciate it, man. HTZ, yeah, let's go over that as well. Gonna pin your comment. Hope you're having a blessed day today, man. So hold on 1 second. HTZ, let's take a look there. So right now, yes, it looks like we are still in consolidation. So there's just nothing that I would want to do here except for just to wait. If we end up breaking above this top wall here, I don't see any resistance until this green candle there. And yes, nice top, nice bottom. So we aren't trading basically in consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. PLTR, we'll definitely do that as well. Good to see you, my guy. PLTR, yeah, we'll definitely do it. So yeah, as of right now, I'm just going to wait. Looks really good. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is going to be my first TP. Honestly, I do like IWM. I may start trading IWM once there is a valid setup. I see why people trade it. I just learned yesterday. Obviously, I've traded it before, but we had a crazy, crazy move on it yesterday. So yeah, that ended up working out great. So now let's keep going here. Let's see. SPY. So let's pull up SPY really quickly. Let's also pull up HTZ and PLTR. So HTZ. PLTR. Oh, that's the wrong one. Did not mean to do that. PLTR. Hopefully PLTR looks really good. All right, so now let's keep on going. So now let's go to HTZ really quickly. Let's go to a 24-hour time frame. So yes, each trade is going to look exactly like. We don't change anything here at all. All right. Okay, I do see something here. Let's go to a lower time frame and let's break this one down as well. Ooh, wait, hold on. All right. I do see something here that looks really decent. All right, okay. So there is. Give me a second here. So there's a top wall there. Also looking for points of contact. There we go. So there is a top and bottom wall that I see here that needs to be broken in order for us to target this upside. So yes, first thing that I see here, the first thing that I saw was this clear move down of no consolidation that I would love to take to the upside. As you can see now, though, we are still stuck inside of consolidation. So there's not a trade that I would want to take here except for just to wait. We do have this top wall that needs to be broken above. So this nice top wall, as you can see, we break above that wall there. I don't see any resistance until boom, this green candle here. Yes, what do we have? Beautiful top, beautiful bottom. Inside the middle, we have the empty space that we like. So as of right now, we are still stuck in consolidation. So I just don't want to take a trade. But as you can see, that this clear move down. So this move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. This is our empty space. And this is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, this is exactly what I would want. So it doesn't look bad at all. Not bad. So yes, I personally would just wait for that play. Looks really, really good. I just gotta wait for that. But yeah, still really good. So now let's keep on going here. One second. Alright, that was on HTZ. Let's keep on going. Let's look at, hold on 1 second here. Let me see what NVIDIA is doing. NVDA, let's pull that up. Also, we got to go over PLTR and SPY. So, for PLTR, it looks like we did end up... Yo, Christian, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Thanks for all the likes, guys and gals. So, right now, yes, we did tap into the MB space below us. Let's go to a, we'll start on the higher time frame. We'll respect the higher time frames, and then we'll go down to the lower. Yo, Big Stars, what's up? Yeah, we'll do Google as well. Hopefully you caught it with us today. Honestly, I'm looking for a new entry on it. End of day, if we can get it. So, yeah, we'll just have to see with that. So, 1 second here. Let's keep going. Richie, that Pepsi, man. Good stuff. So, yeah, that ended up working out great. Let's keep going. Wow, what a crazy day. What a great day. So yeah, let's keep going. And yes, if you want to see what we just did inside the Discord, what we caught, you can look at the Discord, you can look at the gains page. Honestly, I wish I could show you, but yeah, if you want to see what the members and I did just today, you can look at the gains page. You can look at the testimonials. Link is in the bottom for the Discord. So yes, we have the free version. We also have the VIP version. So the VIP version is where we give signals, entries, exits, all that stuff like that. You can see how we pretty much line everything as well. And yes, we do have that discount code that will be ending in a few hours for the VIP Discord. I was supposed to end it yesterday, but I'll extend it for just today. So you don't use any indicators like, so yeah, that's exactly correct. I don't use any type of indicators. And all I use is just a box with the empty space. So we were obviously on PLTR, but yeah, that's all I use. Potter boxes in empty space. That's pretty much it for me. 119. All right, so what I see here, and yeah, I don't really need anything else. Obviously, yes, I could use indicators, but personally, I don't need it. I'm looking for the same play each day. You can literally look in my Discord and see, like, these are just boxes. Like this right here, this is just a Potter box. We have blue lines, so these are just my take profits levels that need to break below. We go down, we tap. That's all that we need. Obviously, yes, every trader has a different plan. Every trader trades differently. But me personally, I don't need volume. I don't need anything. You can see in my charts, they all look alike. Clear move up, no consolidation. We end up breaking below a wall here. We go down and tap as well. So now let's go to PLTR. Kava, yeah. Pato, what's up? Yeah, let's definitely take a look there too. CAVA, back to 71. Cool. We'll do it. So PLTR, this is what I personally see here that I like. Looks like we tapped into the MB above us. But let's just say this as well. Yo, Millie, what's up? Yeah, let's pull up Pepsi really quick. PEP, let's pull that up. I think that final target getting hit. Let's see though. And yes, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. This was a trade from yesterday. I'm not telling you guys to enter into anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, that play is pretty much already done. But yeah, we'll go over that too. Hold on 1 second here. So PLTR, let me stop yapping. What I see here, so same thing. We have this clear move up, no consolidation, that I would love to take to the downside. We do have this top wall, bottom wall there. So there is a nice bottom wall that I see that looks really good. As you can see here, if we end up, so right now, we have the consolidation area. So consolidation area, we have the empty space to the downside that looks really good. If we end up breaking and closing underneath this bottom wall here, I'm going to look for the next resistance. And personally for me, I don't see any resistance until this red candle here. So yes, this looks absolutely amazing. This looks really, really good. But yeah, as of right now, looks like we are still in consolidation mode. But yeah, if we break under that wall, I don't see any resistance. So boom, that red candle there. First TP would still be the middle of the move. From the entry to the exit, the literal middle. It's going to be where we mainly take most profits. And that's pretty much it. Yo, my burner tick, yo, thanks for the follows. Yo, Nick, thanks for the follow as well. Thanks for sharing the live as well. So yeah, that looks really decent. And yes, all the trades on my Discord are going to look exactly alike. You can see what we do here. If you want to see what we do here inside the Discord, you can look at the games page, you can look at the testimonials, you can even ask the members. Either my plays work or they don't. And if they don't work, I get out and find a re-entry. You can see what we did on Pepsi, we did a lot of good things. Google, obviously we had Tesla, but you know, that was more break-even stop loss. The only trade that I had to get stopped out on for, you know, a minimal stop was SMCI. And that was today. But yes, if you want to see what we did on Pepsi, I got to post those charts a little bit later too. So yes, I'll end up posting those. But yes, everything's in the link in the bio for the Discord. Take a look at QBTS and L. Yeah, let's take a look there too as well. What? QBTS, LAES. Perfect, perfect. All right, so now Kava. Got you, Pato. So hold on one second. So Kava, let's go over QBTS. You guys and gals wanted to see that as well. We did PLTR, QBTS. Let's go over all these trades here. Personally, let's keep going. IWM. That's crazy. I was just looking at IWM. So Rug Reality, he came in clutch with the charts. Yeah, that looks really good. All right, so QBTS, what do we see here? And let's break this one down. So we got to go over Kava too as well. And yes, guys, please remember, do your own research, not financial advice. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP Discord. So yes, we have a discount code that will be ending in a few hours too. So either DM me for that, or you can see it in the Discord when you join the free link. All right, so I love Shrek, dude. What a cool username. Love that nickname. So now let's keep going. All right, so this looks really decent. Let's see here. So it looks like, I will be honest, it looks like there's nothing to stop it at all. Looks like we may keep on skyrocketing. What I see here, so let's just say if we do, obviously yes, I get it. We're going up. I get it. It's flying. I understand. But I do also see this empty space. So we see a clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. As you can see here, we have top wall, bottom wall here. And underneath this bottom wall, as you can see, two body candles closing underneath this wick. If we end up breaking underneath that wall there, I don't see any resistance. So boom, here. That looks really good. So from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move. So from my entry to the exit, the middle of the move is going to be exactly what I want. So right now, I'm just going to wait. Doesn't look bad though at all. Also, Google, let's take a look there. Google will do that as well. So yeah, right now, hopefully, as you can see, hopefully end of day, that's going to be great. We'll look at Kava too. One second here. I'm still gonna wait for the end of the day. And LAES, we'll take a look there. LAES. Let's take a look here. LAES. Let's take a look. Doesn't look bad here. But yeah, Google. Hopefully, end of day. I'm looking for a new entry on that. All right, Kava. Let's go over this. And this was a play that we did end up calling out the other day, and final TP did end up hitting. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Give me one more second. I'm going to get me some water. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We mainly do end of day swings. So yes, the end of day is when we mainly swing trade. So yes, you can look in the Discord. Honestly, just join the free version, see how you like it. But yeah, everyone here is pretty cool. All right, yes, guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. Yo, I'm back, guys. I'm here. I swear I'm here. All right, so now let's get straight to it. My bad, got me some water. I'm here. All right, so let's get to it. Let me see what the all right, so Kava, this is what I see here. And looks like we did end up tapping into some more empty space to the downside. Personally, for me, I want to go down to a lower time frame or a higher time frame first, and then we'll try to break this one down. Oh wow, what the? So yeah, Kava still has a lot of empty space to the upside. That looks really good. Doesn't look like we'll get anywhere near there as of right now. Personally, let's go to a possible 2 hour. Hold on. Yeah, we'll break it down too as well. So it looks like, yes, if we do end up keep on, continuing to drop, I could see us targeting into the same space here. All the way down here. So that looks really good. As of right now, personally, I don't really see anything that I would want to take here, just because we already pretty much finished this move. What I see here as well, though, so to the upside on a 1 hour, there is a clear move down of no consolidation that I would love to take to the upside. And yes, we do have, let's go and break this down. Hold on. We have a nice top wall, bottom wall here. So yes, this top wall that I'm seeing looks really good. We end up breaking above that wall there. I don't see any resistance, so boom, this green candle there. And yes, in the middle, that looks really good. Not bad at all. So yeah, personally, I would just wait since we are still in consolidation, of course. But now let's keep going. Oh, wow, Google. So Google. So this was a scalp that we pretty much had earlier today, and it worked out great. You can see inside the Discord what we pretty much did here. And yeah, a lot of my members did end up eating on this too as well. Can I do Reddit? Yep, no worries. We can do that as well. RDDT. Let's do it. Yo, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. All right, so Reddit, RDDT. Cool. Wrote it down for you. Got you. So as of right now, and I still like this. I still like this a lot. So we do have a top wall that needs to be broken in order for us to target this upside. And right now, oh, hold on, did not mean to do that. We do have the empty space that looks good that I would love to take to the upside. So hopefully at the end of the day, so I definitely do not want to take another trade on this one as of right now. But at the end of the day, if we are above this level, above this wall here, I would love to take this to the upside. So yeah, this looks really decent. This looks really good. Just going to wait on that. It doesn't look bad though. Looks really good. So yeah, right now, yes, we're still back into this box here. We pretty much claim profits once we hit that top. I told the team members, make sure to keep that stop loss, keep those take profits. We ended up trimming. So yeah, hopefully end of the day still looks really good. LAES, did I? Okay, cool. Yeah, we got to go over that too. So right now, hold on, let's see. I'm not sure if there's anything here or not. All right, so right now, what do I see here? So, same thing. Actually, yeah, let's go to a weekly chart. Let's break it down. Yes, all of my charts, all of my trades will look exactly alike. Doesn't matter which time frame I'm using. Doesn't matter which chart I'm looking at. Oh yeah, we have nice top wall. Have this bottom wall here. So above the top wall that I'm seeing, if we end up breaking above the top wall here, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this red candle there. And yes, in the middle, from the entry to the exit, the literal middle of this move is going to be our target. So yes, we had this clear move down that I would love to take to the upside. Doesn't look bad. We still would need to break above this wall though. And yes, guys, please remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So please do your own research, of course. All right, so now let's keep going. That was on LAES. So yeah, it looks really good. So hopefully maybe on a Friday, so what, tomorrow, if we break above the wall, I would love that to the upside. It doesn't look bad though. So let's keep going. Let's see what, I wanted to look at IWM too. IWM and also the Qs. Hold on one second. 2 hour. So yeah, as of right now, it looks like we are pretty much yeah, I'm gonna wait pretty much. Yeah, so if I don't see a trade, and yeah, so we mainly do end of swings, end of day. So if I don't see anything for right now, then I would just wait for the end of the day, pretty much, for the trades. But yeah, still looks really good. Hopefully, we are pretty much not even, buyers did not even reclaim this floor yet, so I would need to break outside of this top wall in order for me to target to this upside. So it looks really good. One second here. Let me change this song before it. There we go. All right, so yeah, a lot of these trades I'm still gonna wait for. SPY as well. Let's take a look there. SPY, let's take a look. Yo, Quincy, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Can we do Uber? Yep, we can. No worries. Uber, let's take a look there too. Yeah, let's pull that up. Uber. Ooh, okay, I do see Uber. All right, so for SPY, same thing. It looks like we're, still in consolidation. Obviously, could I break this down on the 5-minute? I definitely can. So I will wait for a higher time frame for this at least. But even on the 5-minute, this doesn't look bad. So there is still. So top wall. So honestly, I can just box this whole thing up. Top wall, bottom wall there. There's a bottom wall that needs to be broken in order for us to target into this downside. I would love to take this to the downside. So yeah, right now we're still, both ways, we're still in consolidation. So there's just nothing that I would want to take here personally, except for wait. I see traders look for EMA. So personally, I don't use any EMAs. I know it helps with the charts, but a lot of indicators are laggy. I would be honest, there are a few good indicators out there. If I was going to use one, I did like VWAP. So VWAP was definitely one of those. The 9 EMA wasn't bad either though. But yeah, VWAP was cool. I pretty much studied every single trading strategy there was. Other than the Potter box, I did like VWAP off a reject, but personally, I'm not going to go over any of that. I only use the Potter boxes with the empty space. I just don't want to I like to use one strategy, and I don't like to mix different types of strategies with each other. I just like to use the Potter box with the empty space, and personally, I don't use any indicators. I don't use any volume. I don't use any of that. I used to though. But I just, for me at least, I've seen that this was the most accurate for me. And now that's pretty much it. But yeah, SPY, you can see we're still pretty much in consolidation mode. I don't really like anything that I'm seeing here. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for this. Doesn't look bad though. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Alright, so now let's keep on going. So we got to do RDDT. So we're actually going to leave that up. RDDT and also Uber. Let's do it. Let's do it. Reddit, Uber, we had a trade on that too. So yeah, Reddit was, and yeah, we'll go over that. So Reddit, I actually called out, but I didn't get into it, but a few of my members did. That trade was a very wild trade. So as you can see, what do we see here? So yeah, I wish I would have gotten into Reddit yesterday. I think it was yesterday when we called it out, but we were still stuck in the box. I wish I would have gotten to a YOLO, but I didn't. I usually do, but I just didn't for that play, which is fine. We had a couple other ones as well. Yo, Emmy Weezy, what's up? What's up? Good to see you all once again. So right now, Uber, personally, I may not take a trade on Uber, just because I just don't like how it, acts. But what I see here is this clear move up of no consolidation. Good morning, Emmy. Good to see you. I was like, yo, where is she at? Cool. Good to see you. So yes, we have here a clear move up of no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to take to the downside. Obviously, what do we need? We would need a body candle breaking under this wall. So looks more of a swing trade. Looks like more of a swing trade. Hold on. That imbalance doesn't look quite right. Let me change that. I like to make sure my charts are clean and perfect. Alright, so yeah, that's cool. Yeah, it looks a lot better now. So yes, as of right now, we do have the empty space looks good. We are, at buyer's control. So buyers are controlling this floor here. Looks like Uber doesn't want to do anything. It looks like it's just, staying in one place. Yeah, so yeah, personally, I would love it for a short, but looks like we are still in consolidation right here. So yeah, it does look bad. So yeah, we're just going to keep an eye on that. Alright, SPY, we did that. Uber, Reddit. So Reddit... So yeah, this was a trade I actually called out inside the Discord. And man, this trade went absolutely wild. I think it went like 300%, I think, plus. And no, I can show you proof to it, by the way. 1 second. Let's see. RDDT, where are you at? Where are you at? Pepsi. So that was Pepsi. Pepsi ended up doing great for us. So Reddit, yes. You can see this was a trade that we called out May 20th on Tuesday at 3:33 p.m. We had a top wall that needed to, or we had a break above that we wanted to take to the downside. So this is the before and after. So yes, you can see the before, aftermath. And yeah, I will be honest. This was a trade I did end up missing. So I had it pretty much set. And at the end of the day, we were back in the box, but we ended up dropping out. Starting to the downside. So yeah, I'm always going to be honest. But yeah, if I would have stayed in that, you can see we clearly broke underneath my level, which allowed us to drop it to the downside. So that worked out great. I just wish I was in it. But yeah, it's all good. No worries. So yo, Tommy, what's up? What's up? TM. Yeah, let's take a look there as well. All right. So for Reddit, RDDT, let's look for a new entry, a new trade. Personally, yeah, it looks good. It looks really good. For me at least, yes, I will be honest. There is a box here. If we break outside this wall, we get targets to the empty space above us. But for me personally, I don't know. I do want to... I like this 4 hour a little bit better. So maybe in the next day or two, I want to see some structure. So a top wall created and a bottom wall created as well. And this is exactly what I would want to the upside. So that's exactly what I want to see. That's exactly what I want to look at. So yeah, maybe in the next couple of days we have some structure. That's what I would love to the upside. Obviously, there's also top wall, bottom wall here. So if we break over this top wall, I don't see any resistance to boom, this green candle there. And yes, we do have clear move down, no consolidation. from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have the imbalance. So yeah, it looks really good. So that's also another outcome there. So we'll just have to see as well. So TEM and SMCI, yep, no worries, no worries. TEM. And yes, we had like, what, 3 to 4 trades that hit my take profits. The play I got stopped out on today was SMCI. And that was a small loss. But yes, we had Google, we had a couple other ones as well. So yeah, I'm always going to be honest. I'm going to be transparent. But yeah, we still had a very big day. So if one play doesn't work, there's always going to be another play that works. So we had Pepsi. You can see what the members and I did on Pep. I got to post all the charts too as well. So yes, I will post the charts soon. So personally, you know, it still looks decent. It's just that we're still in this wall. So I pretty much, like, at open, I saw it trying, so I gave it a little chance, and then I seen it trying to go back into the wall. So that's when I pretty much cut. But it was a very minimal stop, so I'm not even too worried about it. But yes, we got a clear move up, no consolidation. I'm waiting for a clear break, clear rejection path underneath this wall again, and that'll be great. Looks like there's another wall there. So now I would be looking for an entry under this 41.77 area. So yeah, still doesn't look bad. I'm just going to wait and see how it plays out. Looks really good though. Alright, so now let's keep on going. So yeah, right now, yeah, just going to wait on that. And yes, guys, please remember, do your own research, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. And yes, if you want to see what we do here inside the Discord, you can look at what we did on IWM, Pepsi. We had Tesla, but that was more of a break even. So free trade. So yes. You can see what we did here. We caught Google today as well. I got to post that chart too. How many trades do you do a day? So personally, in my VIP Discord, I do like to do at least 1 to 2 day trades for the team. Today we had Google. So that was the day trade of the day. And for the swing trades, so my swing trades will be at the end of the day, and that's when I mainly get into my entries. So that's what we mainly focus on. So the last hour is when we mainly get into our trades. I like to stick with 1 or 2 good, decent swing trades. Personally, yes, I post setups. I have decent setups here that I do post in the Discord. But yes, I do like to focus on 1 or 2 different setups for the team as well. So yes, if you are in my Discord, if you're planning on joining, we mainly do end of day swing trades. But yes, if we find a good day trade, we will take it lightly during the day. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free version. We also have the VIP version as well. So the VIP version, we do have a discount code that will be ending really soon. So probably in the next few hours. I forgot to end it yesterday. So yes, hit me up for the code, or you can see it in the Discord. So yeah, I'll extend it for just today. Looks like we're breaking under that wall on the... Looks like if we end up continuing to the downside, that looks really good though. So we'll have to see. But yeah, we mainly focus on the end of day swing. So yes, the end of the day, the last hour is when we mainly get into, you know, most of our trades. So now let's keep on going. Let's see what the damage is here. So SPY, pretty much we're still in chop. There's just nothing that I'm going to take here. So yes. And in my Discord, I wait for clear setups. Like, I think it was yesterday, day before that, we had QQQ puts, and it was a day trade. You could see, I think it was, hold on, it was, pretty sure it wasn't that one, it was Tuesday, so it was 2 days ago. So yeah, this one was a trade. You can see, I call out entries right in the morning. You can see, for day trades at least, I gave instructions on what I was looking for. We had our box, we had our wall that we needed to break. I was looking for the downside. And yes, I don't take trades unless we are outside of consolidation. We waited for this trade all day. So literally all day. And we ended up breaking below the wall finally. And we ended up targeting to the downside. So yes, I don't care about, you know, if I don't get a trade, you know, the first 5 minutes, first, you know, 30 minutes before, you know, when market opens. I don't care, you know, if someone posts a gain, and, you know, I want to get into a trade too, I want to make some gains. No, I wait. I don't care, because I know that more opportunities will be coming. And that's pretty much it. BTM is looking strong. Yeah, let's take a look there. Gotcha, my guy. Oh, I got to do we did TEM, right? 1 second here. One second. Got to do this for, cool. All right, so now, yeah, TM, we did go over this one. Clear move down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the upside. Obviously, yes, there's just nothing that we can do here except for just to wait. So yeah, it looks really decent. Not bad, not bad. As you can see, SPY, SMCI, QBTS looks really good. TM, BTM as well. Let's take a look there. SCI looks really good. BTM, let's do it. All right, so let's go to a higher time frame. And yes, it doesn't matter which chart you guys want me to look at. I will look at the same. I'm looking for the same entry on any chart. Doesn't matter if it's crypto, Forex, doesn't matter. I'm looking for the same play each day. So as of right now, we have this clear move up of no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the downside. As you can see, we do have the empty space that I would like. So personally, I would just wait for a top wall and also a bottom wall to form in order for me to take this to the downside. So as of right now, it looks really, really decent. Looks really good. So it doesn't look bad. So yeah, right now, I'm definitely just going to wait for some trades. Looks like we're, pretty much chopping, especially on a 5-minute for SPY. Don't really want to take a trade here. I'm personally going to wait for the end of day swings. We had a great day already. So yeah, just going to wait for the end of day swings. Google, Uber, QBTS, Kava. Let's see, AMD. Let me see IWM again. Let me look at the other trades too as well. But yeah, let's keep on going. So yeah, IWM still looking like, okay, I want to look up QQQ too as well. Yeah, it looks like we're still in consolidation mode, pretty much both ways. It looks like everyone wants to go take a lunch break right now. Market makers are like, you know what, it's time to chop. They're just trying to get some food right now. So yeah, as you can see here, what do we see? Still same thing here. I'm going to wait for this trade. It looks good. Looks absolutely fantastic. So boom, we have this clear move down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would love to take to the upside. As of right now, there's just nothing that I would personally want to do except for just to wait. So I'm personally just going to wait. Doesn't look bad though. Not bad at all. Looks really, really good. Yo, thanks for liking live, Danny. Really appreciate it, bro. My guy. So yeah, once we get this, and I fell in love with IWM yesterday. I've traded it before. I mean, it was cool, but like we had a really good move on it to the downside, and I just love the contracts. I love how the contracts look, and that's exactly what I wanted. We went it to the downside, and now I do want to keep trading that. Doesn't look bad though. Obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to enter into anything. I'm not into any new trades, so please do your own research. Not financial advice. So yes, you all have to do your own research. So IWM looks really good. A lot of these trades look good. We're just gonna have to wait. And yes, if I don't find a trade, if I don't find anything, or if I don't have anything, I wait for the end of the day. And yes, we mainly swing trade at the end of the day. You can see literally the charts, what we have here. Obviously, I wish I could show you more, but I just can't. So you can see here, DLO, clear move down, no consolidation. We end up breaking above the wall. We go up a tap. So yes, all these trades will be exactly the same. We don't change anything. JPM, clear move down, no consolidation. We end up breaking above that wall there. We have empty space upside, so it looks really good. Yo, CT, what's up? How can I get on a quick swing? I'm new to this. So personally, for me to swing a trade, I wait until the last hour. So yes, the end of the day is when I mainly get into swing trades. And I know it sounds crazy. Why would you trade the last hour? Why would you trade the first, before market closes? It's because I'm looking for a candle body to close above. So as you can see for like this one, Tesla, I'm waiting for the end of the day. So clear move down, no consolidation. Once we end up breaking above a wall, we go up. So yes, and we go up a tap. So yeah, I will be honest. I do have a Discord. If you want to join the Discord, personally, if you're new, I wouldn't even join VIP. Join the free Discord. See how you like it. You can see what we do here. Personally, I would, obviously, yes, please do your own research, not financial advice. But if you're completely new, maybe find a broker that you like. Figure out how to, place orders. Maybe paper trade. Figure that out first. And then, yes, figure out if you want to do, options if you want to do day trading, swing trading. Swing trading, we mainly swing trade at the end of the day. But yes, personally, if I was, completely new to trading, I would find a strategy that I like. Obviously, I use Potter Box with empty space. You can use anything. You can use something else. Obviously, I would find a mentor, find a group. It doesn't have to be mine. It could be like anyone else's. You could go to Potter. You could go literally anywhere. It doesn't have to be mine exactly. But yes, find a strategy. See, how to place orders. And then once you're comfortable with that, I would start with a low amount just to see how, you feel once you actually have real money into a play, for sure. So you trade forex. Okay. So personally, we do options here. I use so Webull is pretty good. I use Webull and TradeStation, and that's pretty much it. I use Robinhood a little bit, but nothing crazy for that. Them swing trades have you ready to get up in the morning. Dude, that's why I have so much energy in the morning. I'm like, man, either the play is going to hit or it's not. It's like, waking up on Christmas each day. Even if the play doesn't hit, bro, like, I know that there's always going to be another play. So, as you can see, like, we had Google this morning, man, and that was like Christmas to me. So, personally, yeah, everything is going to be, exactly the same. So, each day I'm going to be here. So yeah, we're not going to change anything. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside the VIP Discord. And yes, I will be here for the end of day swing trades. So yeah, if you guys and gals do want to join in, links in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. So yes, the discount code for the VIP will be ending in a couple hours. So either DM me for that code, or you can see it in the Discord. So yes, appreciate you all so much. Have a blessed one in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. See you in the Discord, or see you in the live streams. Appreciate it all so much. Thank you all so much.